Alright guys, this your boy Marco Selfmade, and here I am finna upgrade my PS5, turn it into a mega strong, lot of memory system. And as you see, I got other accessories to go with it to make it stronger than what it is. I ain't never hooked up the SSD myself, so I'm finna do it with y'all so I can show y'all can I do it as well. So I got my I got it. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description where I got everything from. I got the SSD. I got it from Best Buy. I bought a controller charger stand for my PS5, so when I play the game or whatever, I ain't gotta worry about hooking no cord up to the controller to charge it up. I'm gonna have stands and everything. And then I got a extra controller or whatever. Oh yeah, I got this from Best Buy. I got this on Facebook Market. I ain't gonna cap on y'all. I got this from Facebook Market. I ain't gonna cap. And my buddy of mine, he gave me this. He looked out for me. I'm using this. This is what he gave me. I'm using this to hold my PS4 game members in. And look at it, 4 TB. You know what I'm saying? And for what I looked at online, it don't cost that much for real. It's like $40 to $80. I'm put a screenshot on that too where y'all can find one of these. But I got this from my boy. He gave it to me. But let's go and open some things. Whatever that is, you know. Let's get some stuff open. Show you what kind of controller charger stand I got. You know, just the original one they have at the store, the local store. Regular charger station for the controller. Now I'm finna open this and SSD. We're gonna get started on that. And we're gonna get popping on that. I know that's what y'all want to see anyway. That was the purpose of the video. See what brand I got, what kind I got. I got the WD. It already come with a heat sink and everything. 1 TB. Okay. Now let's see if I can know how to open this thing. Let's see if I can open it. Let's see. How do you open this? Damn, I'm feeling good. How do I open it? How do I open it without tearing it up? I don't want to tear it up. Alright y'all, I got it back open. Took me a little minute, but I got it. Had to get it open. But let's go ahead and get it open. Let's get this thing over. Let's finish it up. Get close. Let's get it over. Let's see if I got the screws for the... Let's see. Oh, I'm using a flat. See, I'm grabbing the wrong thing. All right. Alrighty then. Okay. All right. See the little slot? They gonna do the slot right there. Okay. Let's go and get this, open this bad boy up right here. You know what I'm saying? It's already hooked up and everything. It's already. Look at it. Ain't had to do nothing else. It's already hooked up. That's what I'm talking about. Already hooked up and everything. Alright. I ain't never done this, so let's see if I can do this. So for what they say, you just slide it in. and then it's just supposed to snap into place. Hey, that was simple. That's simple. Okay. And then the screw right here is a screw right here. That's the screw you're gonna have to take off and set right there to place in that hole. So think about it, guys. If I can do this, anybody can do this. Hold on again. Let me get in there. She trying to be funny. Hold on. Let me get a bigger one. Let me get a bigger one so I can grip her better. Okay. Alrighty, then I put her right here. Oops, I keep slipping, y'all. I'm slipping. Alright, I'm slipping. Bear with me, man. Bear with me. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, I think I did it. Yeah, it's locked in place and ain't going nowhere. Alright. Put this piece back on. Screw that back in. Okay. Got everything hooked up. Snap it right back into place. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook everything up. Then I'm gonna show y'all how it look hooked up. Hold on. Oh, it ain't snapped in all the way. Okay, I did. Okay. Now it's in. Okay. That's in. Got that bad boy in. Now we're gonna unbox this too, so I can show y'all why I got it. So when 2K22 come out Friday and I play it, I ain't gotta go back and forth between these controllers, cause you know people finna be on now. I know I'm finna be on there grinding and stuff, so I want to make sure I ain't got time to be hooking up cords and stuff, cause I'm finna be doing me. And I will put everything in the description. Link in the description for everything. Then you know, the extra controller. And no, I'm not sponsored by nobody. Bought this stuff out of my own pocket. There you go. That's all you gotta do. So I got that. And let me show you my controller. I always been gaming on this one. So got two. Now I'm gonna show you what everything look like once I hook the 4 TB. I mean, I've been using this already, and it's been holding a lot of my PS4 games. I love this. This thing works. It's not no WD and all that, but it works. It helps out. But once I plug all this stuff up, I'm gonna show you what everything looking like and how much memory I got. So y'all can be amazed. Hey, I'm gonna be amazed. But I know for a fact that 4 TB doing me just on the PlayStation. Alright guys, this is the right SSD right here. It got to have 7,000 on it. I ended up buying the wrong one and I had to reorder another one and take the one I bought back. Yeah, I messed up. The one I had, it said like 32 80 something. It was the wrong one, but it was 1 TB was wrong. But I installed it now. See what I'm saying? Got it in, you know. Whoop, whoop. Got that on now, you know. And I'm finna plug all this stuff, hook all this stuff back up, and then I'm gonna show you what it says up on the screen, whatever, and show you. We're gonna both see how fast it moves when it transfer the game's over. All right. Okay, as y'all see, I got it on, and it says I have to format it, and then you see it got everything on there. Now I'm finna format it, the SSD. I hope y'all can see if it don't look good. Sorry about that if it don't look good. Okay, look at the speed. Read speed. Okay. All I gotta do now, hit OK. And it says your SSD has been formatted to change where your games installed. Okay. Okay. Hold on, let me do Okay, okay. Let me go to storage. Let's see if I can transfer a game to it. See, I got my 2 storage. I got the console. You go to console storage. I go to SSD storage. Showing right there, 1 TB. It's empty. Then there my external hard drive I got. It's oh man, I turned this thing into a beast, man. This thing got a lot of storage space. Okay. Let's see. There's no games. Okay, let me go back. Let me go to the console. Let's see if I can transfer something. Let me see. What's a good one? I'll do 2K. Transfer 2K. Move. And let's move it to, hold on. Move to the SSD storage. Right. Let's see how fast this baby can go. It's 126, man. Let's see how I really do this. I'm interested to see how fast it. I ain't gonna lie, man. That baby moving though. Look at it. Oh, that more moving though. Man, that thing moving so fast, man. I ain't gonna cap y'all though. This baby was about 310 altogether just for the SSD. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, you know, I mean, if you ain't in no rush, don't make no moves to go get it immediately. You know what I'm saying? You can always wait till like around Black Friday, Thanksgiving, when you know you got them bonuses or whatever, Christmas bonuses or something. I mean, if it ain't a big need for you, then don't get it. I just, you know, I had to get it because, you know, I'm a gamer, you know, I stream and stuff, so I have a lot of games. I want to make sure my PS5 can hold everything I got between the PS4 games and the future PS5 games that's coming out. Yeah, but this thing moving fast though. Look at it. For 120 some gigabyte game, it moved that thing fast to the SSD. Wow. Shit, there you go, it been moved. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's go to the storage. Let's see what it's looking like. And there you go. NBA 2K22. It is on now. Well, and that was fast. So I hope y'all enjoyed the little video or whatever. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. I think it's a W, man, for real, for real. Yeah, I mean, if y'all really want a lot of storage on y'all PS5, bro, I think it's a must, bro, for real. Especially for like your PS5 games. And then all you gotta do is buy you a little separate extended, you know what I'm saying, hard drive to hook to it for your PS4 game. That way you can have them both separate and you can have plenty of room for both your game consoles and stuff. So, and yeah, and it does come with a heat sink. Heat sink already attached to it and everything. So that's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I'm gonna have videos posted for gaming, and you know, go look at my gaming stuff, you know what I'm saying. I'm always on the screen. But till next time, y'all take it easy.